Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified P1 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Magma gray MB-Tex interior with a brushed aluminum trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats, memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Touchpad steering wheel controls. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 8,639 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, visit us at feldmanimports.com.